changing the battery or the covers on these new Volvo keys is a fairly simple process, and as we can see, this key here is from 2016, I believe now. So I want to change the cover on it for it to look a lot nicer. So to remove the top cover, we push that black button where we have the keychain, then we just slide the cover slightly forward and it pops right out. And on the opposite side of that black button there's another thing you can slide up, and there's a kind of a battery sign there. And then you can do the same on the other side to reveal the battery and also to take off the back cover. So the good thing about this key here is that all of those silver parts that we see here are actually aluminium, but on the cover itself, the shiny thing that looks like brushed aluminium is actually just painted plastic. So after a short time that paint starts to scrape off and it starts to look really ugly, and then with time also this nice leather also starts to wear down. So even downgrading to this simpler plastic design on the key cover here, I think just looks much nicer, and also the plastic, I guess, will be more scratch resistant and such. And on the new cover here we can also see that the sides are not silver, so they won't end up having all of the color falling off. If you look on Volvo, from Volvo themselves, a new replacement leather key cover that this XC90 had, replacement is like $150. This plastic one from China is like kind of a rip-off. It's like $20. It doesn't fit 100% perfectly. It slides slightly forward and back, but I don't see an issue in that. It looks much better than the worn old key. And the ends won't have that paint falling off. And you can also get these leather versions from China, but then you will have the same problem with the sides, the paint falling off. And here we can see the end result. It looks really nice, only costing like $20. I will see if I can link it down below.